Okay, all of you. So, um, I mean, previously, manaki a defined shipping points వరకు ఈ FI to SD integrations లో మనం క్లియర్గా చేసామన్నమాట. So we know how we can able to create the uh, sales groups, divisions, and how we can assign sales organization to company code and distribution channel to sales organization and anything. Okay, and see whatever the configurations that you are doing here, all those things should be assigned to the particular company codes only, and those things will be reflected to the different types of things. Okay, so what are those things? See, when you are raising the sales orders for the customers and all, automatically you're going to have one sales order number, right? And automatically you will going to have post codes issue, and with the help of all these things and all, so you can able to create the normal material things. Okay, so you can able to check with the purchase information flow, then you can able to sell the goods to the particular customer. How? So based on the loading points. Okay, all of you. So now we will going to see the configurations of the loading point. So where what is your loading points and all, and with the help of this loading point where the goods um, will be going. So all these things are mandatory first of all. Now um, what you will do is, yeah ma'am, go with the path, and we don't have any transaction code, and log in into the SAP system. I think మన వరప్రసాద్కి ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ కరెక్ట్గా వస్తున్నాం, అది మన సిస్టంలోనే ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. ఐ థింక్ సో, అంటే పికప్ చేయట్లేదు ప్రైస్ డిఫరెన్సెస్. అది ట్యాక్స్ని ఎందుకు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుందో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. సో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం, మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి చూద్దాం. లాగిన్ into the SAP సిస్టమ్, లేకపోతే దీన్ని క్లోజ్ చేయండి, సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని లాగిన్ కొట్టండి. ఐఎఫ్ఐ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, అవట్లేదా? Okay, the next one is financial accounting. Can you come down, man? No, remove this thing, man. Enterprise structure, definition, and logistics execution. Maintain loading point. No, can you give your shipping point? Go to the Word document. See, all of you, everything is interlinked. Okay, so see, whatever the things that we are defining here, everything is interlinked, and we need to define the loading point for our goods only. Okay, is go to the new address, ma'am, and give the loading point, and see, for each and every department there will be a responsible person. Okay, so you know it very well. And responsible person um, is the person who is taking care of the different types of ledgers, and also different types of balance sheets and P&Ls. Okay, good. So you can just give any responsibility person. Okay, then description will be anything. What is your loading point? Hyderabad or Bangalore or anything. Okay, click on the enter ma'am and go to the civil and save it. The next one is we have done with the shipping points and all, and define loading point is over, and the next one is assign shipping point to the plant using transaction. We don't have any transaction codes, and based on the business functionality areas only we can able to assign this shipping point to the plant. Okay, no issue. Go to that SAP, ma'am, come back, and yeah, what you will do is, ma'am, close this thing and go to the assignment and go to the logistics execution, assign shipping point to plant. Second one. Can you come down, ma'am? So what is our plant? DEP1, right? Select this thing and go to the assign and take out your shipping point now. Or else plant. Shipping point, and I think so plant is same, right? Go up. Select this thing and go to the continue option. Now go to the save button and save it. So okay, so assign shipping point to the plant is over first of all, and has it assigned to the particular thing or not? I think it is not assigned. So go to that thing and come back now. Once again. Now again go to that assign shipping point to the plant. Okay, can you come down now and take out the DEP1? కొంచెం పైకి వెళ్ళండి. See, if the shipping point is not assigned to the plant, then automatically, okay. So shipping point is assigned to the plant, no issue. If the shipping point is not assigned to the particular plant and all, automatically all of you, see, when you raise the purchase order based on the purchase information flow, you will going to raise the sales order, right, for the particular customers and all. Then, so if the plant is not assigned to the particular shipping point and all, automatically system will going to check the plant purchase information flow. Okay, so if the stock is available or not for this particular plant, so if the stock is not available, so if the stock is available and this plant is not assigned to the particular shipping point and all, then automatically system will going to throw you an error. And then what will happen? So we will come back to this assign shipping point to the plant and we need to assign. So then only you can able to get the choices. Okay, good. No issue. So then next. So shipping point determinations using transaction code OVL2. Can you go to the transaction code OVL2 now? Can you go to the new, new address, ma'am? Just put the cursor on SC, ma'am. Okay, no issue. So open that thing. Go to the drop down option. So now see all of you, there will be some shipping conditions. See, shipping conditions means if the customer is ordered one particular goods, then what will happen? So they have to accept the order, right? So that is the purchase orders for us. Okay, and sales orders means sales orders to the particular customers. Then what will happen, all of you, when it comes to the products of the each and every companies and all, so they will going to ship the goods as soon as possible with the help of shipping conditions. Okay, they see, they will definitely try to deliver the goods to the particular customer as soon as possible. See, now I will just give you the example, all of you. When it comes to the Amazon and all, okay, and Flipkart and all, see, you do have Prime membership. Okay, see, when you take the Prime membership from the Amazon or Flipkart or anything, okay, any online retail apps and all, okay. So when you take the Prime membership from the different types of retail apps and all, automatically they will just give you the information that within the particular time only you will going to get the goods. How? As soon as possible. So now when it comes to the uh, we do have different types of apps like Zepto and Blinkit. Okay, you do have different types of apps, right? See, when you order one goods from the Zepto or the Blinkit and all, within 5 minutes only you are getting the goods. How? See, based on the shipping conditions only, you're going to get the goods with the help of customer address and all. Now, we will going to take as soon as possible. So don't take any standard things and all of you. See, you can go with the standard things. You can go with the any correcting processing or anything. Okay, so as soon as possible condition is the more satisfaction condition for the particular customer. Okay, so then that can be the useful thing for the particular customer only, so not for any organization. Okay, so that should be used for the shipping types of conditions. Okay, no issue. Take out the 0 1 as soon as possible. Huh. Yes, so loading group is very important, all of you. So why we need to use the loading group and all, you know it very well. So to ship the goods from one thing to the another thing, okay. So first you need to have loading point, right? So in that loading point, you need to have goods, right? So when you have the goods in your loading point, then automatically you will ship the goods to the particular customer. Okay. Now, so our shipping point is in a Hyderabad. Okay. Now you want to have these goods, you want to have, or you want to deliver the goods in Bangalore, definitely. Okay, for the particular customers and all. Then you need to have one loading group, right? From shipping point to loading group is the main important condition for the sales and distribution. Okay, so you will transfer the goods from shipping point to the loading point. Then what will happen, all of you, automatically when it comes to the delivery things and all, so delivery vehicles will be there, or delivery agents will be there. So they will just pick up the goods from the loading point. Automatically what will happen, all of you, so they will check the address, okay, in Bangalore, where it is, whether it is in a Martal area or whether it is in a any different types of areas, railway station areas or anything. Okay, so they will just scan the goods and you will going to get the one notification, your order has been picked up and will be delivered on this day. Okay, so they will just give you the information based on the as soon as possible, and with the help of loading group and plan partnership shipping points and all. Okay, right. So then next, take out the loading group now. 0001, take out a 000. Okay, see, if it is a large type of goods and all, if it is a Hyundai car, or if it is a BMW car, or if it is a any Tata cars and all, so automatically they will ship the goods, right? So give your plant, ma'am, take out your plant, and from which plant so you are producing the goods, and go to that Word document, drop down option. So you will going to find out in the PR shipping point, that means proposed shipping point. I think we have already created the proposed shipping point, right? So it is interlinked point. I think I have already told you about these 2 points, like a shipping point to the loading group. So that is fine. So proposed shipping point has been there in the loading point. Okay, with the help of one transaction code, you can able to combine these two informations. One is proposed shipping point, another one is loading point. Okay, so take out the DEP one, click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. No need to have the mentioning shipping points and all. I think we have already have shipping condition with the help of loading group, with the help of plant, with the help of a proposed shipping points. Okay, good. So go to the save button and save it. Then next, what is the next configuration that we have? So see, all of you, based on the shipping determinations only, we will going to have determinations of partner functions. See, what is the determinations of partner functions? Now, I just gave you the 2 minutes of explanation on this thing. Now, see, all of you, you have ordered one goods. Okay, so what is the goods? Anything you have ordered some Puma shoes, or red tape shoes, or Nike shoes and all. Then you will going to have determinations of the partners, all of you. So you are having the one shipping address and you are having the one billing address. Okay, so once the bill is, once the amount is sent to the particular organization and all, or else, so if it is a cash on delivery and all, so what is the cash on delivery address and what is the goods shipping point address, and how we can able to determine all these things, all of you. So based on some conditions only we can able to determine, right? So these things are mandatory first of all. Okay, ma'am. So now what we will do is go to that SAP reference IMG and directly go to the sales and distribution now. Directly we have sales and distribution after material management and all. Go to the basic functions, man. And after that, can you go to the partner determination, ma'am? Here. Go to the partner determination. Double click on this thing and just to go to the set of partner determinations for customer master data. Now what we will do is we do have different types of and we need to have all these determinations on our account group now so that you can able to get the details. And okay, no issue, ma'am. So can you take out the third option? Left side there will be a third option, partner determination processes and all. So first of all, based on our accounting groups only, we can able to give the what is the exact partner determination conditions. Okay, those things are mandatory, right? First of all, then what you will do is, ma'am, go to the position and give your account group. Do you remember your account group? Okay. DC, domestic customer, DEP. Okay, good. So now, so we have to assign one partner determination procedure conditions. Okay, what is the condition? So you have to sell the goods to the particular customer, right? So when you want to sell the goods to the particular customer, so you have sold to party conditions. Okay, so can you take out the AZ, ma'am? Here in that particular partner determination conditions, you can just take out the AG. So that is sold to party. See where you can find out all these sold to parties and all these things. So when you go to the first left side option, there is a partner determination processes and on. Okay, so you will going to find out the things. Okay, right. Now I will going to show you all these things. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, then next one is account groups functional assignments to the particular partnership things and all. Fifth one, yes. Okay, so now what we will do is, ma'am, can you go to that new address? So now, so we have to have the partner determination groups and all. Okay, so what is the partner determinations groups? Either it is related to the, that means sold to party will be there, shipped to party will be there, bill to party will be there, and payer will be there. Now, sold to party. One person has ordered the goods. Okay, so for her sister or else for his brother. Okay, so they have ordered the goods and see sold to party. So to whom you are selling the goods, okay, is very important, right? Then ship to party, to whom you are shipping the goods. Then bill to party, to whom you are giving the bill. Payer, so who is going to pay this bill? So all these conditions are very important in sales and distributions. Okay, now what you will do is, ma'am, so in the partner determinations, you can just give SP, SP, then next SH, Then next BP, so there is bill to party, ship to party, that is PY. The next one is PY. See, all of you, all these conditions are should be assigned to the one accounting group where the customer is existed. Okay, in which accounting group this customer is existed is very important, right? First of all, okay, in the account group you can just take out the account group now. I think you have the account group DADC. Take out the same thing and take out the same thing. See, all of you, you do have one more thing. See, one customer has ordered the goods and one more customer has to get the delivery. Okay, so on which basic determinations you will going to sell the goods to the, I mean, you will going to ship the goods to the particular customer. So based on the shipping conditions of the accounting groups with the functional assignments of the partner determination procedures, try to understand the thing. So see, you do have different types of accounting groups, right? So under this accounting group, you do have different types of customers. So one customer is interlinked to the another customer. Okay, then in on that particular point of view, what you will do? So automatically we will change the accounting group. Based on that accounting group, you can able to transfer the goods to the particular customer. Now our scenario will be same. See, our scenario will be one thing only. So that is, so our customer is the same who has ordered the goods, and our customer is same, so who will going to, uh, get the goods, and our condition is same, so who will going to give the amount. Everything is same, right? Okay, right. Can you click on the enter, man? So we will going to see it. Click on the enter, man. Enter, enter, enter. Okay. Right, now you got the point, right? So sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pay. See, if you want to change the things and all, so you have to change the condition in this thing only. Okay, so try to understand the point. Okay, come back now. I think so this one is over, right? And or is once again go to that thing, ma'am. So I will going to show you the can you open the first thing, ma'am? Partner determinations, processes and all. Okay, so go to that position and give the SP. Now you got the thing, right? And the next one is PY. Okay, the next one is SP. SP is over, right? SH, ship to party. Everything is there, right? See, if the pricing conditions determinations are there, then only you can able to assign all these things on your accounting group. All of them. So without all these things, you cannot even post the each and everything. Okay, so those things are mandatory first of all. Now the next, what is the next configuration one? So define pricing procedure using transaction code V/08, all of you. See why we need to have this pricing procedures and all. See, for each and every product, you will going to have one pricing procedure, right? So how we can able to create the pricing procedure? Either it is a standard price with the help of standard price, and how and on what basis you are giving the goods to the particular customer, based on which pricing conditions. Okay, so all these things are mandatory, right? సో ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ని మనం సెల్ చేసేటప్పుడు కొన్ని ప్రైసింగ్ కండిషన్స్ని మనం టేక్ కేర్ చేయాలి. సో టేక్ కేర్ చేయాలి అని అంటే వాట్ వీ విల్ డూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, సో వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ వన్ ప్రైసింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ వై కెన్ యూ గో టు ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ V/08. ma'am, can you take out the copy conditions? Can you come down, ma'am? RVAA01 will be the standard thing. I think. I mean, we do have different types of standard things and on, but when it comes to the conditions of the systems, sales and distributions, we do have a RVAA01. Can you select this thing, ma'am, and go to the copy option? And can you remove this pricing processes, ma'am? You can just give processor as DEP AN. Click on the enter, ma'am. Is copy all. Continue. Yes. Click on the enter, ma'am. No issue. Enter. 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 Continue. Okay, good. Go to the save button and save it. See, all of you, see now how these things are calculating. Why? Because see, if you have cash discount conditions, if you have tax conditions, if you have different types of conditions and all, so we can able to control all these things. Okay, first of all, so those things are mandatory. And the next one is whatever the pricing type that you have, so you can able to get all these details in your sales orders and also post goods issues. And one more important point is, all of you, when you have the pricing types, like so if the goods is particularly related to the tax purposes, if the goods is particularly related to the normal cash discounts and all, so based on which pricing procedure you are using, so I mean, sorry, you are applying the conditions. Okay, so that is very, very important, right? So I mean, what you will do is, can you select this thing, ma'am? I mean, your yes, go to the control options. Okay, now what we will do is, first of all, I mean, we need to have different types of things and all. Um, then here only we have to have the things. Okay, see, based on our conditions only, we can able to add the pricing determinations conditions. Okay, so what you will do is, ma'am, so can you select all these things? So first of all, we have to have the price, right? So in our systems, you need to have the price, I mean, particular product price and all. Select 11, ma'am. Step 11. And after 11, you need to have a gross value. So can you come down, ma'am? Yes, 100 is the gross value. And then next one is, we need to have cash discount, and we need to have a taxes amounts, and we need to have net values. All these things are mandatory. So when you have the mandatory thing, customer discount will be the main thing. Can you take out the discounts amounts? No. 104. Customer discount. And the next one is, can you take out the customer discount? Okay. And the next one is, pricing group is not mandatory. And ma'am, can you select this 105 also? Okay, for that material only, we can able to have the conditions. The next one, what is the next thing that we have? Discounts amounts we have done. Uh, can you come down, ma'am? Take out the 300. I think so. Discount amount, that one is also important. Okay, based on the condition, it's okay. It is not a free. I mean, it is a free condition. No issue. And the next one is a net value for item is very important. Can you come down, ma'am? Take out the 800 is the net value for the particular item, and free goods is not at all necessary. And mm, 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 mm. See, after the cash discounts, reductions, and all, you do have net value too. Net pricing values too will be there. Can you come down, ma'am, and take out the? I think so. The step will be 900. Yes, ma'am. The next one will be net value 3 also. If you have taxes and all, so net value 3 is also very important. No, I think net value 2 is we have taken one gross amounts and also close this thing, ma'am, Aisha. And if you have down payment settlements and all, I think we do have down payment settlements right now. 911 down payment settlements, and the next one is total. 920 is the total thing. I think so. What we will do is, ma'am, can you go to the delete option? Yes. See, we do have different types of condition types, all of you, and we do have accounting keys and all, like account determination keys and all, ERL. Okay, so ARS, sales rebates, sales revenue, all these things will be there, and taxes like MWS, like thing. Also, all these things are mandatory first of all, and you need to have the step conditions. Okay, so pricing conditions will be there, PR00, how we can able to create the conditions and all. You're going to learn it. No issue. Go to the save button and save it. See, in the pricing procedure, we do have conditions. Okay, all of you. So I will going to tell you about the conditions and all, how we can create the conditions and all. So based on which calculations we will going to create the conditions and all. See, conditions types you will not going to create it. Try to remember the point. Just based on the pricing processes and all. See, this is not our part of the any configurations and all. Okay, so this is just important configurations to the our SD consultants. Okay, so we will just analyze what is the accounting keys that they are using and what is the movement types that they are using, and based on which movement types, based on which keys and all, we will going to assign the accounts. Those things are mandatory first of all. Okay, so try to remember the point. Okay, then next go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Come back. And the next one is, so we have defined the defined pricing procedure using transaction code V/08. So a determination of pricing procedure using transaction code OVKK. Can you go to the pricing procedures, ma'am? OVKK. Okay, right. So first of all of you, when it comes to the pricing procedure determinations of the sales document, now you're raising one sales orders, right? Okay, so based on which condition type you are raising the things, all these things are mandatory first of all. And if you are raising the particular conditions and all, okay, and you do have pricing process and you have assigned different types of conditions types to the particular sales organizations and all. So if you want to have the conditions on the particular sales orders and all, then you need to have sales organization, distribution channel, divisions, and um, customer pricing procedure and document pricing procedures. All these things are mandatory. Now what we will do is, all of you, can you go to the new address? Hmm. Take out the sales organization, take out the distribution channels and on, and go to the Word document and try to compare with this Word document and give the things and all, if you can't remember all these things. Customer pricing procedure will be sorry, document pricing procedure will be a standard thing. And then next one, customer pricing procedure will be, open that thing, ma'am, and take out the standard only, ma'am. So we have to assign the same standard customer pricing procedure in the sales organization data only. And yes, pricing procedure we have defined it, and go to the DEPAN, I think so. And condition type will be PR00. So we have one price, right? And we are assigning this price conditions PR00. Click on the enter, ma'am. Right, so everything is fine. So that is why system is not throwing an error. Go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Come back, ma'am, and no, go to the system only and try to have your condition, I mean sales organization conditions. Come back. No, go to the SAP system and come back. Go to the position and try to give your sales organizations and all these things. So if the conditions is applicable to the particular systems and all, then only we can able to proceed with the sales orders. Okay, if the things are not there, okay, please try to enter the re-enter all these things. Okay, right. Our condition is there. Okay, good. So the next one is OVKK transaction code is over. And then next, what is the next thing? Okay, all of you. So try to remember the point that tomorrow what we will do is, so from the FI point of view, okay, so determinations of the pricing procedure for the sales orders and all is over. I mean for the sales and distribution based on the SD consultants and all. So we do have uh, okay, from first point to 21st configurations, all these things will be taken care by the SD consultants only. Okay, yes, from the first to 21st point. Then from 22nd point to, can you come down, ma'am? I think 24th point is over. Okay, right. So from 22nd point to 25th point, So we will be involved. Okay, all of you. So FI consultants will be involved from 22nd point to 25th point. So where the SAP FI consultants will be involved when it comes to the sales and distributions and all. They will just ask you these types of questions, all of you. Okay, so don't tell from 22nd point to 25th point. So they will just ask you. So where the exact configurations and so you can just give creation of JL accounts using transaction code FS00. So assign the cost of goods sold accounts in transactions using transaction code OBYC. So with the help of the I mean conditions like with either it is related to the cost element, either it is related to the non-cost elements. Okay, so with cost element, without cost elements, and we have to have integration with ST, that is VKOA, assign GL accounts to the particular things and all. Okay, so and also define document number ranges. What are those document number ranges when it comes to the sales things and all? So tomorrow, after the completion of the GL accounts creations, assignings and all, so you will going to see the purchase information records flows, and also the next one is sales orders information flows. And see, if you sell the goods, now you have 10 goods, okay, in your stock availability. And so if you sell the goods to the particular customers, see the stock should be I mean should be in a decreased mode. Okay, so if you sell one goods to the particular customer, so the stock availability should be in a position that should be in a decreased position. Okay, so the decreased position means what? So you have stock availability 10. So if you sell the stock, I mean one goods to the particular customer, I mean like finished goods and all, then what will happen, all of you? So the stock availability will be decreased, right, to the 9 records and all. So this is the way we can able to create the things and all in the SAP systems, and also based on the pricing procedures, based on the conditions. Okay, you will going to have a lot of conditions in the things. So I mean you have seen the condition types, right? Okay, I think okay. So see, all of you, first of all, we do have conditions. Okay, so the conditions means the basically when you have the different types of things in I mean sales and distributions and on, we do have few steps. Okay, so the steps means first of all you have to find out the conditions based on the particular things. Okay, and I mean based on the percentages, based on the quantity, based on the fixed amount. Okay, how we can able to create all these things based on the condition rules, based on the uh, I think so. Okay, grouping conditions, routine rules, all these things are mandatory, right, all of you? So I mean all these things. Okay, so I will going to show you the one more thing, and I mean which is not part of our configurations. Ma'am, can you go to the transaction code mm, V/06? So I think someone has raised a question on condition types, right? How you are creating the conditions. Okay, so we can able to create the conditions based on our requirement only. We can able to create the conditions. Okay, I think so. Radhika ma'am, మీరే కదా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగింది. సో ఈ
Yes,
క్వశ్చన్
sir.
మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి అని అంటే, you will going to have one transaction code that is V/06. మనం ప్రైజింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ లో కండిషన్స్ ని యాడ్ చేసాం కదా. ఏం యాడ్ చేసాము? డౌన్ పేమెంట్స్ యాడ్ చేసాము, అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి నెట్ వాల్యూస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము, అండ్ క్యాష్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము, అండ్ ట్యాక్సెస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఎలా యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము అని అంటే ఇదిగో ఇలా. ఓకే, సో ఆర్ ఎల్స్ కెన్ యూ గో టు ద పొజిషన్ మ్యామ్ and give your condition type as PR00. Can you double click on this thing, ma'am? PR00 is not there. Yes. ఇప్పుడు మీకు కండిషన్ టైప్స్ అనేది మీకు ఎక్కడ కనిపించింది? ఐ మీన్ జిఎస్టీలో ఉంది చూసారా కండిషన్స్? ఎవరైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసారా? సో ఆ కండిషన్ టైప్స్ మీరు ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటారు? క్రియేట్ చేసిన కండిషన్ టైప్స్ ని ఎలా ఇక్కడికి ఆ కండిషన్ టైప్స్ వేరు, ఈ కండిషన్ టైప్స్ వేరు. సేల్స్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ కండిషన్ టైప్స్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్. సపోజ్ మీరు చూడండి, కండిషన్ క్లాస్ వచ్చేసి ప్రైసెస్ ఉంది, క్యాలిక్యులేట్ టైప్ వచ్చేసి క్వాంటిటీ ఉంది, కండిషన్ కేటగిరీ వచ్చేసి బేసిక్ ప్రైసెస్ ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ కండిషన్ కేటగిరీని మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంటే ఎస్, యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. Okay, and based on which sequence? Based on the access sequence only you can change it. Okay, ఆ access sequence ఏంటి? PR00 అంటే ప్రైస్ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, చేంజెస్ విచ్ కెన్ బి మేడ్. ఓకే, సో మాన్యువల్ ఎంట్రీ హ్యాస్ ప్రయారిటీ. సో మాన్యువల్ ఎంట్రీ హ్యాస్ ప్రయారిటీ అంటే ఏంటి మెయిన్గా? సో మీరు చేసే ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎంట్రీ ప్రైజెస్ అనేది పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫ్లోతో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకు కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది? సో ఆటోమేటిక్గా సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ విత్ ప్లాంట్ ఇస్తే సో అది పర్చేస్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫ్లోని రిఫర్ చేస్తుంది కదా. సో ఆ పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మనం ప్రైసింగ్ కండిషన్స్ని వాడతాం అనమాట. అంటే ఏ కండిషన్